Welcome, in front of me is Lenovo ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you a few quick tips on how to make your device work faster. First of all, you can change the power mode of your device. To do that, right click the battery icon on your status bar and go to power and sleep settings. Here, open power mode and change this value to best performance for your device when it's plugged in. You can also change this option on battery setting, but I recommend to either stay with balanced or even select best power efficiency, because if you select best performance, your device will discharge much quicker than usually once you unplug it. Now, the next thing that you can do to increase your device's performance is right-click the taskbar, open the task manager, then go to Start Up Apps, sort them by status, see which ones are enabled, and these applications will start up with your PC. So if you see some application that you don't necessarily need when your device starts up, you can right-click it and select disable, and this way you will prevent it from starting up with your PC, which will not only decrease the startup time of your laptop, but will also reduce the resource usage during when you're working on your PC, because there will be one less application running in the background. The next thing is keeping your device up to date. To do that, open the Start menu, go to Settings, and check for Windows Updates. So, in this Windows Update section, click Check for Updates and see if your Windows finds any updates. Also, don't forget to check the advanced options, go to Optional Updates, and here you may find some crucial driver updates. If you want to download and install them, hit the checkbox next to each one of them, or the ones that you want to install, and click download and install all, and then wait until they are downloaded and installed. Then the other way to install updates on your PC, especially if you want some more specific updates, is by using the Lenovo Vantage tool, which you can also use for more useful tools. To find it, open your Microsoft Store and search for Lenovo Vantage. Once you find it, click download right here or install right here. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, then you can open it. And once you open it, expand this menu by clicking this icon right here. Then go to System Update and hit Check for Updates button right here to check for your devices. Check if your device has any updates to install. You can also set an automatic update time right here by selecting the day and the time at which you want your device to look for updates automatically. Additionally, you can go to Hardware Scan and choose between Custom and Quick Scans in order to check if your hardware is working properly on your PC. Additionally, you can go to Utilities and find the Memory Cleaner, and by using the Memory Cleaner you will also reduce your resource usage and improve your device's stability and productivity. So in order to clean memory, just select the applications that you want to, in which you want to clear your cached data and cookies and things like that you don't need, and click clean. And as you can see, I just cleaned 400 megabytes of memory. Now let's check the system update, and as you can see, there are no updates available for me right now. But if there would be any updates, you'd be able to just hit the checkboxes next to the ones that you want to update and click down update these applications. They will update automatically afterwards. You won't have to do anything. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.